Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a grabber thing for like a truck or SUV or something like that to be able to grab things out of it. So let's just check this thing out, see what it does, how it works. So up we go. So we have the hook, we have a sliding end, and we have some other hook things here. I guess this is probably to hang it up. Let's go ahead and check this out. So this is it here. It's a whole telescoping apparatus here. Let's see what we got. So this is probably the one I'll end up using mostly to grab things out of stuff. So, oops. Screw it on as such. It screws around many times. Man. But you can see that end, it's nice and metal and solid. Okay, so there it's on, and then you can extend it through here, and this is a nice metal, it's kind of a triangular shape. Hopefully that means that it'll keep its rigidity. And here we go. So now I have it nice and long. And so I could use it even to grab stuff off of the top of my shelf up here. This would be great even for here, yeah. I do have things like I want to put up top there. I could even use this, probably not this handle, or maybe if it had a hook on it, I could hook it up there, put it down, and we'll let it go up there. That's kind of cool. So I could use it for that. So that's the hook end. Let me lower this down a little bit so you guys can see. We'll try a different end here. Okay, so with that one, get this one here. Comes with a whole piece. Okay, so then if we want to use this way here, we could put this on here and screw this in as such. And it even comes with a little wrench. So we could use that to grab things out of the back of a truck. This would be good actually in the back of it. If you have a pickup truck or something like that, and you want to grab stuff so that within the way back, you use it to pull it, and you can just leave this on the side of your truck so you can always have it out there ready to go. That's cool. Very cool. And let's just check out these things here. This looks like the hangers for it. So let's just verify. Ooh, I lost a bunch of screws. Okay, yep, that's what these are here. These are hangers. So I can just hang this in my garage, and then I can put this on it like that or so, or whatever, or just use it for other hooks. I don't know. I don't think I'll even hang it up. I'll probably end up just leaving it in the car. Guess you could. You could drill it into the side of your pickup or whatever as well. They come with the metal machine screws, you know, those ones with so it'll drill in there. So as you start drilling through, it makes a hole so you can screw this into any type of, sheet metal or whatever. So that's what's cool about these two. So it comes with those screws. So you can hook it up onto the side of your car and just hang it from there. Just lots of different options with this. This is great. Nice extension pole, and then it extends way down low, and you're good to go. Very cool. I like this thing. This is good. So if you need to be pulling things out of your car or whatever, actually, like I went and bought a bunch of tile the other day, and we had deep. This I could use this to pull it forward in the car. Actually, I will, because I'm going to buy more. So this will be handy. So very cool. I like this. Actually, I'm going to leave this particular hook on it because this is the one I will be using for that particular purpose. So let me aim it on here. I will tighten this up. Very good. There we go. Now that's not going anywhere. And now I'll be able to extend this and be able to pull the tile out of the car when I pick that up later today. Very cool. Thumbs up.